It's lot number S73, 1965 backdraft.
This is a replica.
Wow. All right, so we're back at Mecum. Look at this beauty. I'm going to be doing all the lot numbers, and then we'll check it on another video so we can get the full prices. From my first video, I got a lot of comments that said there are no good deals. So this 68 is lot number S74. Look at that paint job. It's a Dodge Dart hard top. We will see if there are some good deals. This thing is, the stance on this and those, look at that wheel setup. It's lot number F74, a 1952 Chevy. Wow, this color combination is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Bench seat. So, I want to thank Mecum for giving me a media pass so I can cover this event. This is F75, 1957 Bel Air. Beautiful color. Also, same color combination. So 10 a.m. is when they start, and it is 10 a.m. right now. So I got here just in time. This thing is gorgeous. This is lot number F76. This is going to be easy. It's a beautiful Ford Cabriolet. Gotta get that spare tire. Looks awesome. Smells delicious, like a nice old car. All right, let's see what's next. F89 GTO. It's a 1965. Look at that. This thing is beautiful. All these cars look amazing too under the lights, which for you classic car owners, you know that's the true test. When you're under the lights, do you have swirls? None of these cars look like they have any swirls. Let's check this one out. Nice, beautiful Camaro. Lot number F113. Look at this engine, guys. What I'd like to know is, let's take some guesses. In the comments, I want people to put down what they think some of these cars are going to go for. This is a 1968 RSSS Chevy Camaro. We got the same guys walking with us, so I got to move a little faster. Now we have lot number F121. This beautiful Corvette. Wow. This is gorgeous. 1963 split window. Now this is the cream of the crop for Corvette owners. Split window. Let's go take a look at that thing. There she is. This car is mint condition, by the way. All of these cars so far are mint. I have lot number F126, the pink Lincoln. How are you? Thank you, sir. 1979 Lincoln Continental. This thing is a boat. Got the vinyl roof. Build sheet with a sunroof. Check out this 1972 Javelin. Lot number F201. Thank you. That's gorgeous. Resto modded inside. Wow. Check out this 1970 Cuda. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Lot number S168.1. This thing is absolutely perfect. So I believe all these cars that are in the air conditioner are the higher end cars, but I figure I'll show you guys everything that's here, and then we'll go to the cars that we can probably afford, which are the ones outside. But here's lot S168. Look at this. A little dirty though, a little dusty, but they'll clean it before, I guess, it goes on the block. This 1958 Chevy Impala convertible. Resto modded. Wow. Oh, I see a big scratch on this one. Wow. Look at this. Hopefully it busts out. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. Oopa. That's not good. Very nice. This is lot S166. Look at this gorgeous thing. Let's take a look at this. It's a 1930 Marmon Big 8 model 112 sedan. Wow. Love it. Let's take a look inside. Lot number S153. Boss 302, 1969. Beautiful. There are so many amazing cars here, and I just got here. Let's take a look inside. And then we have a 1969. You're good. 1969 GT500 Shelby. Lot number S150. 1970, excuse me. Shelby GT350. Look at the steering wheel that turns. What? I had never seen that before. So check out this 1954 Corvette Roadster, lot number S137. Let's take a look inside. Another beautiful mint. Got this 1954 3100 pickup truck, resto modded. It's slammed. Lot number S204. This thing is slammed. Wow, look at that. Well, look what they have here. If you guys haven't seen my other video, there's another 3100 long bed that I did a video on that has this same kind of trap door thing. So you can access all of the motors and pumps and 1949 Mercury convertible, customized. Wow. Look at this interior. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? Lot number S178. It's a 1976 Excalibur. So all right, 1963 Corvette, another split window. Lot number S181. Look at that view, guys. I would love to have that view out of the back seat. Wow. Four-speed manual. This is a beautiful car. Here's another Cuda, 1970. And it's lot number S192. It's got a 440. Wow, look at this thing coming up. This is a lot number S194. It's a 1930 Packard 733 Club Sedan. Wow. This was the rich and famous cars back in the day.
1930 Packard 733 Club Sedan.
1964 Corvette, lot number S197. It's a Stingray. It's gorgeous. All right. Let's see what we have next here. Lot number S198. It's a 1970 Cuda. I'm going to go around this side since these gentlemen are there. I don't want to interrupt them. It looks like they're... All right, so, but it's a four-door. It's not the most desirable. With the vinyl top. Let's take a look at this thing inside. Bench seat. Check out this 1966 Shelby GT350 with a supercharger. That's what I need to add to my Mustang. Get a little supercharge in that thing. Lot number S199. This is the real deal Shelby. Let's see inside. This 1966 Chevelle. Lot number S219. Super Sport. For S218, check out this 1970 Mustang Mach 1 resto modded. What do you guys think of this thing? I'm not a huge fan of this look, but there's a lot of money in this thing, that's for sure. Look at that interior. Modernized. Let's see what we have next. Lot number S217. This 1968 Chevy Camaro Custom. This thing is beautiful, actually. Look at that. Wow. The color. I like the stripes. Subtle, but lot number S215, 1906 Stanley Vanderbilt 1906 Vanderbilt Cup Racer. Look at this thing. Thanks. This is a steam engine. This looks like a Jay Leno special. Look at this, guys. Have you ever seen anything like this? Let's get on the other side. I got to go all the way around on this one. I want you guys to see all the knobs. Look at that. Let's go in closer. 1970 Super B. Lot number S213. It looks like an all original. Has a 383 Magnum. Looks like an original paint job. It's not perfect, but that's cool. It's not open, so see what we can see in there. A 1960 Super B. Let's take a look at this. This is lot number S210. It looks like let's see inside. I like the Super B on the seats. We got a 1966 AC Cobra, lot number S208. It's got a 355. Interior's a little modernized. Look at this Mercedes. Wow. S207. It's a 1958 Mercedes 190 SL. This is one classy, beautiful Mercedes. I can't show this one to my wife because I think she would love it, and I can't afford it. I'm just a small little YouTube channel. Here's a 1966 convertible. 427. My buddy Eddie Ballister is a huge Corvette fan, and he owns his first car, which is his Corvette, and I've been trying to get him on my YouTube channel, but still waiting. Eddie, look at this. This one's for you. 4-speed manual. Lot number S241. Another Corvette 1964 convertible with a 327. But this, to me, is my favorite color combination for a Corvette. The silver with the red interior. That is just so gorgeous. Look at this. What's your favorite color combination, guys? Tell me. Let me know. Now we're going to go to S242. I'm so sorry. 1956 Ford. Lot number S242. We'll go on this side so I don't bother them. Let's take a look inside. Nice leather seats. (1941) Willys, customized. Lot number S246. Let's take a look at this engine. This thing is pretty mean looking. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but look at the stance on this baby. Look at that.
Also wood.
1967 Camaro RS, lot number S249. He's taking a look at this thing closely.
I'm sure I'm not going to.
I'll go around this side so I don't bother him. Do you guys, oh, the window's closed. Let's go back, because I think you guys would enjoy the inside of this. There we go. Lot number S252. Check out this beautiful Chevy 1957 Nomad. This just gives me a Beach Boys vibe. Look at the big windows on this thing. Need a surfboard and I'm ready to go. Look at the back of this, how gorgeous. The details, the chrome on this is amazing. Look at the windows, detail on the roof. Let's go in here. It's got special instructions. I guess you can't touch stuff. It's 1970 Hemi Superbird. This thing is gorgeous. There's nothing like that tail. It's so cool. Check out this 1966 Chevy Nova. It's lot number S113. This thing, let's take a look at what we got here. It's got a supercharged 555 V8 automatic. Got the blacked out bumpers and window trim, which makes it really look cool. Gorgeous. Let's see what we got next. Look at this Camaro. Lot number S115, 1969. It's got that big radiator. It's 1970 Chevelle with a 454 turbojet, 450 horsepower. Lot number S128.
Shelby 1000.
Check out this 1974 Olds Torino. Okay. Lot number S54. This is a lot of green, guys. If you like green, this is the car. You got green paint, green vinyl top, and that's right, some green interior. It looks all original. Look at the bench seats. 1968 Mustang Fastback, customized. Lot number S135. I believe these look like the wheels that my buddy Zeke has on Rusty. or look very much alike.
Yeah. Eleanor.
So, not sure, but if you guys are fans of these Blazers, but I think they're really, really nice. And this one is amazing. Let's look at this engine. It's up a little high, but this is lot number S134, and it's a 72 Blazer. It's got a lift kit on it. Little information for you guys on the Blazer. Let's take a look on the inside of this thing. 1951 Chevy Suburban, completely resto modded. Lot number S129. We're going to do a full wrap around here since those gentlemen are around there and I don't want to bother them. Let's take a look inside. This thing is a super cool car. I'll take this thing anytime for road trips. I love everything about this one. Look at this paint job, stance. I'm gonna go all the way around because it deserves it. Get a closer shot. A 1966 lot number S87 convertible Corvette, fuel injection. It's got the red line wheels. Four speed. So check out this Plymouth Roadrunner, 1969, lot number S94. It's got a 383. This thing, look how long these cars are. Now here, we've got a Bel Air. Lot number 89.1, 1957 hardtop. This is my one of my dreams one day, maybe, if I get a bigger garage. And then next to it, we got a resto modded Camaro here. Look at this. Lot number S91. Look at the front of this thing. It's a 1968 convertible Camaro. I'm not sure I'm a big fan of this one. With the white interior, very customized digital dashes. Now we have this beautiful Dart. Look at the front of this thing. Lot number S110. It's the 1970 Corvette. So I'm thinking of making 2 videos today because this might be way too long. There's too many cars and I don't want to bore everyone. This 1965 Pontiac Catalina. You got 3 carbs on this thing. Lot number S87.1. It's got a 421. The color's gorgeous. It's like a little light purple. 2 plus 2. Let's see, the window is closed, so